Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you for joining. Like always, hello fellow Google Plus followers and Google members. Yes, indeed. We say a lot of things, we do a lot of things, we do it a little differently here. Yeah, so what have I done? I did a door. And man, let me tell you, that door's heavy, and I got a scale that I could put it on and weigh it and see how it fits. So I had to go back to Lowe's. I went to Home Depot. Lowe's didn't have Verathane, and Home Depot did. I needed polyshade plus urethane. That did the work for me. I put on 3 good coats. I had a good time getting it on there and gave out a nice color. I do have to just touch up a little bit. I'm not perfect, but the work paid off. Sis likes it. Job is done. Problem is, I'm out of steam. I gotta hang it up. But before I get to hang it, I have to clean the hinges. Maybe I could strip the other side, but the problem is, if I turn it around, I'm gonna damage the good side that I did. And I don't want to do that. So I may just hang it up and then complete the door while it's hanging when Sis is not around. So I got a lot more work to do, and the work will pay off. And it all comes from here, and good karma will pay off big time. Now, yeah, when I'm all done, maybe I'll get a camera out of it. When I'm all done, maybe DJI will come out and I'll just get the DJI. I don't know. I'm gonna see and deal with what I got. I got to get back to work, real work that is, and take care of business, and that's what's going to happen today. I'm going to get some work done, but I do have a surprise for you, and it's a little early, and it's never early to get a surprise out. I got some work also to do, you know, downstairs, and yeah, the studio, and I'm not yet prepared to do it or done anything about it. Put it a little delay. Of course, who wants to rush a good thing, right? I don't want to just say this. I want to thank all 10,800 plus subbies. Thank you. And I hope to see 11,000 pretty shortly. And thank you all for getting me up to 11. Well, sun is coming up, and I saw some girls running again. It's like they never saw the sun for the first time. Yeah, I lost my bag, and I didn't see it at all when riding. So somewhere it got lost. I'm not sure where it got lost, but it got lost somewhere. I got another bag. It's a cruise bag. I liked it. It had a little memory towards it. But you know, you win some, you lose some. So on that note, no block stories today. I'm Fish. I said a lot, did a lot, talked a lot. I don't want to lose my voice. Again, it's kind of like healing up a little. So I am going to save it for the job. On that note, I'll see you on many other videos to come. I hope you have a great day. I hope it don't rain by you, because rain is needed. Have a great day, everybody.